In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly connect N8n to Ollama and integrate Ollama AI with N8n in just a few minutes. This guide is perfect for those looking to automate their workflows using these powerful tools efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, you will want to head over to the AI workflow automation platform, N8n.io. Once there, you should see a friendly interface that offers a host of automation opportunities. The way this platform allows you to link various apps and automate tasks is incredibly efficient, and learning to use it well is undoubtedly worth your time. Next, you'll want to sign in to your N8n account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process and necessary to start building your own workflows. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the N8n dashboard, where all the magic happens. The dashboard is the central hub for managing your workflows and connecting with different automation nodes. It can initially look a bit daunting, but with a little exploration, its layout becomes intuitive quickly. From the dashboard, click on the option labeled Create Workflow. This is where you can start piecing together your automation flow. Think of it as your blank canvas, ready for you to add all the elements that will make your day-to-day processes more streamlined and effective. Workflows are essentially sequences of tasks and actions, and N8n makes creating these sequences straightforward. After creating a new workflow, you need to add nodes. Nodes are the building blocks of workflows. They determine what action is taken and when. A clear interactive interface will prompt you to click on the Add Nodes button. In the vast universe of nodes available in N8n, you'll need to search for a specific one. Ollama. Ollama is an incredible AI tool that integrates seamlessly with N8n and significantly boosts your workflow's efficiency. Once you've located Ollama in the search bar, you can add it to your workflow. Being able to integrate Ollama with your automation allows for a flexible and innovative way to interact with AI capabilities within your existing business processes. It's outstanding for businesses that want to leverage AI's potential to optimize their operations. With Ollama now part of your workflow, you have successfully connected N8n to Ollama, unlocking a world of possibilities in automation and AI interaction. Thanks for joining me on this step-by-step journey. By following these instructions, you'll be on your way to streamlining and enhancing your workflows with N8n and Ollama in no time. Stay tuned for more instructional guides like this one, designed to make tech integration into your business as simple as possible. Happy automating!